What's your name and the company name?
Mega Beard, Sonny Clark.
Sonny, how long have you been with Mega Beard?
2.5 years.
2.5 years. But you've been in the industry for 30. Which of the amp products are your favorite? Like, which fixtures do you really prefer?
I think the colored fixtures. I mean, I think, again, they give you the widest spectrum of use. So, like, you have the white, but then when you add color to it, it makes it completely different. So it's almost like having a third part of the project, because you have the daytime, you have the nighttime white lights, and then you have the nighttime colored lights. And it's not about having that color on every day, or not about having that color, it's about really looking at it from a different perspective. The turf areas, when we put on the flashers and it's going different lights, that's fun. That's all, that's a good time. But when you put on a color and you accent something, it completely changes, like the stones.
Well, the water feature.
The water feature. It completely changes. And it's so amazing how much it changes. I don't know why you wouldn't want to do color. I mean, honestly, I'm not saying that people need to do it every day, but it's just, it's really a cool feature to have. And the money it's not a big difference. The homeowner, Kevin here, he loves it. He loves changing. He just loves to see a different color. And I think that is one of the aspects of it that, because probably most people just put their lights up and never touch them ever again. They just, him, he's out here with the remote, he's changing different lights, he's got, just the waterfall on, so it makes it more interactive. It's almost like a video game. You're interactive with your lighting system. Instead of putting it up, never touching it ever again. It's not about having a color on every night. It's about changing and having, fun with it and being interactive with your lighting system.
What tips or tricks have you learned from a design installation perspective that have really helped you as a contractor?
The filters, dispersing light, bringing light closer, the lenses, that was probably something that I've never really dealt a lot with and never really talked about, and never really thought about. When we were looking at the design, okay, how am I going to do that? You would you put this lens on, or you can use that. And I was like, what? And that's when you explained to me. And I think, the lenses and just adjustments really is not something that I think a lot of guys think about. And now that, from the design standpoint, and sending you all multiple pictures after I installed it, and say, hey, what about this? You guys would give me tips. Okay, try this, try that. I really saw the next level.
What did that do for the project?
The biggest thing is glare, location of the light, like how you shine it, getting the more pointed of a view, or having it wider so that it doesn't glare in your eyes. It's not so bright, but yet you can still have that light shining there. And I think that was really cool, because in years past, I would have moved that light in a different spot because of the glare. So now you get the shot you want and you don't have to worry about that. And that is what I think is a big difference when it comes to going to the next level.
I know you incorporate lighting into your other jobs. How do you bid them? How do you decide when to add lighting on which jobs?
Everybody's different when it comes to lights. Everybody has their own view of lights. Some people just, oh no, they can't stand lights. Or some people just, obviously, like the bakers, love lights. And I think, from a sales point, you just bring it up and you kind of feel out what the homeowner likes and what they don't like. And then you can kind of go from there. And I think the lighting is is dependent on the project.
When it comes to residential home illumination, there's no project that's out of your reach.
I don't know. You tell me. You tell me. I don't know. I mean, this is the biggest project we've ever done and I've ever done personally. And so, you know, with your guys' design and your guys' help, I would say no. This project turned out amazing. Because again, it's all about the team. It's all about the team and the people that you surround yourself with, and not just saying, I can do this, our team can do this. Because there's no way I could have been able to get this to look without y'all's help. This project really, from a lighting standpoint, excited me and got me back to wanting to learn more and do better.